Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix WhatsApp unexpected error problem. Let's see how to fix this problem following all steps. Do not skip. Go to phone setting. Click on apps. Tap on Chrome apps. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. Now swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode. Now go to Google Chrome. Search WhatsApp web. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.